WeatherTech TechLiner is the easiest to install custom-fit solution for protecting and preserving your pickup truck bed. Your TechLiner is form-fitted to the exact contours of your truck bed and is held securely in place by specially designed Velcro adhesive discs. It is imperative for the adhesion of the Velcro discs that they are applied to a clean, as-new condition truck bed with no rust, contamination, scratches, or any previous spray and liner, and that the bed is at a temperature above 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Before installing your TechLiner, remove it from the shipping box and lay it face down on a flat and dry surface. Warm sun will help the TechLiner to flatten. Take care that the Velcro discs do not collect dirt or debris. As your liner flattens, wash your truck bed with soap and water and dry it thoroughly. Next, place the flattened TechLiner into your truck and align it to the contours of the bed for a seamless fit. Now, it is a safety imperative to properly secure your TechLiner using the Velcro adhesive discs. Starting with the right front corner, without shifting the position of the TechLiner, bend the TechLiner back to reveal the location of the first Velcro disc. Clean the corresponding bed location with a top-quality window cleaner. Allow the area to dry, and then prep it with the supplied alcohol swab. This is imperative to provide proper adhesion of the Velcro disc. When the alcohol is dry, remove the plastic backing from the Velcro disc. Fold the TechLiner back into place and press down firmly. Apply additional pressure by standing on the disc location for 15 seconds. Repeat this procedure on each Velcro disc, working clockwise around your truck bed. As you work, be careful not to detach the Velcro discs already attached. When all the discs have been firmly pressed into place, go back and check each area, making sure it is secure. If practical, waiting 12 hours before driving your truck will allow for ideal adhesion. Then, your TechLiner is ready to use. Just check it periodically to ensure the Velcro discs stay fully attached. If at any time you suspect the Velcro discs have detached, remove the TechLiner before driving your truck and contact WeatherTech customer service for replacement Velcro discs and installation kit. Your WeatherTech TechLiner is now installed and your truck bed is protected.